Hello and good day. I am China F. Moreno, and now I'm gonna be making a video about installation of Windows ME in VirtualBox. So we're gonna start now. I'm gonna press New. I'm gonna name my virtual machine Windows ME, and you can set up the hardware-based memory. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Then sa hard disk, then I'm just gonna leave it as 4 GB. I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna be using a different way to set up this Windows virtual machine than my other installation ways before. We're gonna play um what I did was I press settings here and we're gonna go here to storage. And as you can see here in controller IDE, my disk here na empty. I'm just gonna press this little disk icon sa gilid ng optical drive. And we're gonna choose a disk file. Locate your disk file, the ISO image that you've downloaded for Windows ME. And here I'm just gonna choose this Windows ME.iso. I'm gonna press OK, and we're gonna power it up. Throw out this video, and here I'm just gonna choose this boot from CD-ROM number 2 and start Windows setup from CD-ROM. Just one, and then enter. Wait for it to load. Then here you're gonna press enter and configure unallocated disk space. Enter. Then yes, enable large disk support and continue. Enter. We're gonna set up again boot from CD-ROM 2 and start Windows setup from CD-ROM. Enter and wait for it. That the setup was done, we're gonna routine check on your system. So we're gonna press enter. Enlarge this in here. We're gonna press next. And here I'm gonna use the recommended directory here, the Windows directory. You can set up with your other directory if you have a designated directory for it. I'm just gonna press next. And here I'm gonna choose the typical because this is the one that was recommended for most computers. But you can also have other choices here depending on what is your purpose for installing ME. Next. And yes, I want to set up and install. Next. I'm gonna name my computer um WinME. You can leave the computer description blank. Next. And I'm gonna use our time zone here. And I am gonna select our country and region, Philippines, the next. And I am gonna be going to Beijing. I just gonna need to find it here. Beijing, Chongqing, Hong Kong. And next. And we're gonna finish this and wait for it to file copy progress. So now that we have already did the setup, wait for it. You're setting up. This page is going to show up after starting to run, so you just have to wait for it. Now that the setup is done, we're gonna name our computer here. Type your name and your company name. I'm just gonna put my name as Moreno. And I'm gonna leave the company text box blank because you can have a choice naman if you don't want to include your company name. I'm gonna press next and I accept the agreement. You can read the license agreement fully here if you want to, but I'm just gonna press next. And now for the product key here, I flash the product key that I'm gonna be using here. So Windows ME. Mm, mm, There, I've already typed it, and you can find other product keys naman siguro in the internet. I'm gonna press next, and we're just gonna click finish, and we're just gonna wait for it. There, now that this had show up, we're gonna restart again. And we can check if we already did have. Yan, lalabas na siya. Kasi we both did boot from CD-ROM and the hard disk then. So here now, we're gonna set it up. I'm just gonna put my username and and set a password and okay. Please confirm the password and yes, I'm gonna set pass 1, 2, 3. Okay. and password I've set up earlier. Okay, there we got it. Updating system settings. Yeah, actually. And now there we have it. Our Windows ME, which is functional, and there it is. You see, you have the user here, Moreno, the one that I use with this one under. I use Moreno, and this is the password, and there it is. The installation of Windows ME.